Hello. I just wanted to provide a brief overview of what the UDL Center is and what it can offer future educators and educators currently. So right here, this is the main website for the UDL Center. It's actually a part of CAST, which I'll go into in a different video, but CAST is the Center for Applied Special Technologies. So here it talks a little bit kind of about a lot of special education programs. Beyond that, it really takes a big focus on this universal designed for learning kind of concept that really focuses on ways that we can make learning the most versatile and useful. So within here they have these UDL guidelines, and these guidelines kind of just run through a little bit of everything, but in particular does a great job of breaking it down into the three main sections. So we've got kind of engagement, the why of learning, representation, which is the what, and then action or expression, depending on which way you're looking at it, which is the how of learning. And it goes through a lot of ways to really think about what you're going to be doing. So, especially if you want to work on comprehension or self-regulation, you can look here and highlighting patterns, guides, and it leads you to a bunch of really useful information and things to consider and offer to your students. I think it's a great website for teachers, but not only them, but students as well. Depending on how you present this is a great way to kind of teach your students what it looks like to self-assess, what it looks like to analyze the question of why you're being taught what you're being taught, or why the media is presenting what it's presenting. It's a really great way to kind of teach people to interact with the world around them, and I find it to be an incredibly useful tool. It is free. You can sign in and make it more personalized, but you don't have to. It's a really excellent resource for almost anyone that wants to use it, that's looking to expand not only their understanding of UDL, but kind of looking for news or examples that other teachers and members have posted. And this also, again, links all the way back to CAST, which has a much larger plethora of resources at their disposal as well.